At Emilio Flooring, getting an estimate for your floors is quick and easy without anyone needing to come to your home. We offer 2 ways to get an estimate. In-person estimate, our specialist visits your property and bring flooring samples for you to choose from. Or if you prefer an over-the-phone estimate, this option is faster and more convenient, and you may qualify for a better price by providing some simple details yourself. To get an over-the-full estimate, just follow these steps. Measure the length and width of every room you'd like new flooring in.
Then make a quick sketch or diagram on a piece of paper, noting the measurements. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. Take clear photos of each room and the doorways where new flooring will stop. We'll send you a link to help you pick your preferred flooring style and color. After we receive your measurements and pictures, our flooring specialist will use the information you provided to create a custom estimate.
If you decide to move forward with the estimate, we can typically schedule your installation within 2 to 5 days. Now it's time to kick back, fire up the grill, and enjoy your brand new floors.